With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Let us discuss the given problem. The problem is given as we have to find the sum of this series. First of all, if I write the value of this series as equals to s, then s would be equals to 2 to the power 19 plus 2 into 2 to the power 18 plus 3 into 2 to the power 17 plus so on until 19 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 to the power 19 plus 2 upon 2 to the power 18 plus 3 upon 2 to the power 17 plus so on till 19 upon 2 plus 20. Right. So if I write this part of s as x, this part of s as y, and this is plus 20, so I can write this as equals to x plus y plus 20. And to evaluate the value of x, I need to evaluate the value of y as well as x, right? So first of all, beginning with the problem, we have to solve the value of our x, right? So x is equals to 2 to the power 19 plus 2 into 2 to the power 18 plus 3 into 2 to the power 17 plus 4 into 2 to the power 16 plus so on till 19 into 2, right? So if I write the value of x by 2, then that would be equal to 2 to the power 18 plus 2 into 2 to the power 17 plus 3 into 2 to the power 16 plus 4 into 2 to the power 15 plus so on till 18 plus this is 18 into 2, right? This is 18 into 2 and plus 19, right? So finally I can rewrite the value of this x as here. So x would be equal to 2 to the power 19 plus 2 into 2 to the power 18 plus 3 into 2 to the power 17 plus of so on till 19 into 2. Now x by 2, this equation would be equal to, if I shift the terms to next position, one position towards right, then I can write this as 2 to the power 18. This would be plus of 2 into 2 to the power 17 plus of 3 into 2 to the power 16 plus so on till this would be 18 into 2 and this is plus of 19, right? Now if I subtract the value of this x by 2 from this x, then I would obtain x by 2 equals to, this would be 2 to the power 19 plus of 2 minus 1 into 2 to the power 18, that would be 2 to the power 18 plus of 3 minus 2 into 2 to the power 17, again 2 to the power 17 and so on till this would be 19 minus 18 into 2, so that would be 2 and this is minus of 19, right? Now this part of x, this is GP basically. So to find the sum of terms, n terms of this series, the value would be a into r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Here a is the first term, that is equals to 2 to the power 19. R is the common ratio, that is equals to 1 upon 2, and n is the number of terms that is needed to be calculated, right? So how can we calculate n? First of all, we have a principle of GP, which is if we have to calculate the value of nth term of a GP, then that is given by a into r to the power n minus 1. Here the nth term is 2 and first term is 2 to the power 19 and r is 1 upon 2 to the power n minus 1. So we can clearly say that 2 to the power minus 18 is equals to 2 to the power 1 minus n, right? So the value of n becomes equals to 19. Then after putting the value of 19 n, this would be expression Sn. Finally the value of x will be obtained, right? So x by 2, this is equation x by 2. So this is x by 2. This is equals to sum of this series, which is again calculated by using this formula. So a is 2 to the power 19 into r is 1 upon 2 to the power n is 19 minus 1 divided by r minus 1 this is minus 19, right? Finally, the value of x by 2 can be calculated as 1 minus of 2 to the power 19. This is minus 1 by 2 and this is minus 19, right? So the value of x by 2 can be calculated as this is equals to minus 2 into 1 minus 2 to the power 19. This is minus 19, so this is equals to 2 to the power 20 minus of 21, right? So x is equals to 2 to the power 21 minus of 42, right? Finally, the value of x is obtained. Now, in the similar manner, we have to calculate the value of y. So, first of all, writing y is equals to 1 upon 2 to the power 19 plus 2 upon 2 to the power 18 plus 3 upon 2 to the power 17 plus so on till 19 upon 2, right? So the value of 2y can be written as 1 upon 2 to the power 18 plus 2 upon 2 to the power 17 plus 3 upon 2 to the power 16 plus so on till 18 upon 2 plus 19, right? So the value of y can be rewritten as 1 upon 2 to the power 19 plus 2 upon 2 to the power 18 plus 3 upon 2 to the power 17 plus so on till 19 upon 2. Now, value of 2y can also be rewritten. So, value of 2y after shifting the term just towards 1, right? So, that would be equals to 2y is equals to 1 upon 2 to the power 18 plus 2 upon 2 to the power 17 plus 3 upon 2 to the power 16 plus so on till 18 upon 2 plus of 19. Now, after subtracting the value of 2y from y, the LHS is minus y, that is equals to 1 upon 2 to the power 18 plus 2 upon 2 to the power 18 minus 1 upon 2 to the power 18. So that would be equals to 1 upon 2 to the power 18, and similarly 3 upon 2 to the power 17 minus 2 upon 2 to the power 17 is equals to 1 upon 2 to the power 17, and this will continue till 19 by 2 minus 18 by 2, that is 1 by 2, and this is minus of 19, right? So this y from this y, that is this series, is basically again a GP where the first term is 1 upon 2 to the power 19, common ratio r is equals to 2, number of terms is not known. So basically sum of n terms of this GP is evaluated by using the formula of a into r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Now to calculate the value of n, we need to use the formula for nth term of a GP, that is given by a into r to the power n minus 1. Nth term is basically 1 upon 2. First term is 1 upon 2 to the power 19, and this is r, that is 2 to the power n minus 1. So from here value of n is obtained as 19. Now this value is substituted in this formula to calculate the value of minus y. Finally, the value of minus y becomes sum of this series and minus 19, right? Sum of this series is calculated using this formula. So a is 1 upon 2 to the power 19, r is 2, n is 2 to the power, this n is 19, this is again minus 1, and this is divided by r minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, and this is minus 19, right? So minus y becomes equals to 1 minus of 1 upon 2 to the power 19 and minus 19. Finally this value is equals to minus of 18 minus 1 upon 2 to the power 19, right? So y is equals to 1 upon 2 to the power 19 plus of 18, right? Now we have to substitute the value of x and y in s to obtain the value of s. So s is equals to x plus y plus 20. So first of all, substituting the value of x, 2 to the power 21 minus 42, so 2 to the power 21 minus 42 plus of 1 upon 2 to the power 19 plus 18, and this is plus 20. So this expression becomes 2 to the power 21 plus 1 upon 2 to the power 19 plus of 4. This is not plus 4, this is basically minus 4, right? So the correct answer, which is the appropriate answer, is basically this one, that is option number 1.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.